Thank you for visiting my visual tour today. If you have questions or would like to schedule an appointment to personally tour property on Lake Wedowee, call Terry Norton at 404-317-5120. We work hard for our clients. This is a great opportunity to own 65+ acres close to Wedowee. This acreage is located on a paved road with county water available. Acreage consists of 2 tracts with a small stream on the back side of the property and mixed timber. Great location for boat storage or RV park. You are minutes from the Swagg boat ramp. Directions from Wedowee: travel highway 431 north, turn left on Company Road. 121 go past Company Road. 123 acreage will be on the left. Look for sign. Cable across road. Please contact Terry or Sherry Norton at 404-317-5120 or email /Terry